Yeah, good day everyone. I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Yes, good day everyone. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video I'll be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly from home with a software. Yes, as you know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. So for you to get high commission, you need to get high sale, and the higher the price of your product, the higher commission you'll gain, and the more product you sell, the higher your commission also per day. So in this video I'll be showing you this is the result of one of my students that got my software and video course. Yes, as a affiliate marketer, I am also a software developer, and I've developed this software which I've been using for a while now, and it has been giving me excellent results. If you have followed my previous videos, you know that I've been displaying many of my students' accounts. So in this video I'll be explaining to you how I am getting these results. Yes, as you know that promoting to people who are going to buy the product is the most important in affiliate marketing, and with my software you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily on digital platform, which are going to be accessing your affiliate product. Yes, these traffic are not just free traffic, they are free traffic, but they are targeted traffics. Yes, targeted traffic, I mean people that need the products you are going to be selling. I'm going to be teaching you my video course, because when you get my software, I'm going to give you my video course, which is a complete video course which will guide you step by step on how to use the software on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because my software is not only available to Clickbank alone, you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms too, like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Shopify store, or any affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning like the result which I've shown you in my previous video. So contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course. Yeah, so for you to become a successful affiliate marketer, you need to work on your traffic system. And with my software, you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily, which are going to be accessing and buying your products. And this is the result which my software has given my students. And if you check my previous video, you will see many of my students' accounts which have displayed their earning from my software. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and get started from making money on affiliate marketing from home. And remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge on affiliate marketing or on using my software, because my video course will guide you step by step as a beginner. Yes, you don't need to have any previous knowledge on affiliate marketing or Clickbank or anything, because when you get my software and video course, for countries that have restriction on opening Clickbank, I'm going to be opening Clickbank accounts for you. As far as you are getting started with my software, I'm going to create an account for you, because there are countries that have restriction on opening Clickbank accounts. So getting my software, I'm going to create a Clickbank account for you, give me my software and guide you step by step. And some people be asking me that why am I still selling software, because after, as you can see my result, like I'm also earning, as I'm also helping students, I'm also earning on my own affiliate marketing platforms also. So they be asking me why am I still selling software since I'm earning thousands of dollars. The purpose is that as a software developer, I'm coming up with more software, so I'm using this opportunity to gather affiliate marketers around the world, so that when new software come out, it will be easy for me to give it out to people that are serious and that we started earlier on, and to more people that are going to be joining us on this affiliate marketing journey. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com, or text on Telegram through number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.